America, Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today we are discussing Thomas Paine's pamphlet, Common Sense. This 47-page pamphlet was published on January 10, 1776, and is often credited with inspiring the American Revolution. Written by Thomas Paine, an English immigrant, it caused American colonists to begin thinking about an independent United States. Paine put common sense into the words of the common man, so those gathered in taverns and around kitchen tables could understand its meaning. To fully appreciate the novelty of common sense, one must consider that all the colonists had ever known was a dependency on England and a government run by the king. Now, common sense challenged them to consider separating from that powerful nation and replacing the king with something called a democracy. Paine's well-reasoned argument resonated with everyday Americans. Paine explains that people form societies to gain security, and therefore the goal should be to find the form of government that appears most likely to ensure it. Paine then discusses why a monarchy like England's is the worst form of government for all but the few at the top. Paine famously states, "The sun never shined on a cause of greater worth," and explains in easy to understand language why any chance at reconciliation with England ended with the battles of Lexington and Concord. Importantly, common sense has stood the test of time and is the best-selling American title ever. So why should Thomas Paine's Common Sense matter to us today? Common sense, written for the everyday American, turned public opinion away from a reconciliation with Great Britain and towards an independent America. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.